Yes. Today we are going to learn about the electric field of a dipole. So for a dipole, in terms of hello friends, today we are going to learn about electric field of a dipole. So first of all, the potential of a dipole in terms of the multipole expansion, we will get it as V potential of dipole in terms of r and theta is equal to r cap dot p vector divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square, which is equal to p cos theta by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. Now we know that electric field is the negative gradient of potential. So ER is equal to minus dou V by dou R. It is equal to 2P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube. We are taking the partial derivative of potential with respect to R. Now E theta is equal to minus 1 by R dou V by dou theta is equal to P sin theta by 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube, and E phi is equal to minus 1 by R sin theta dou V by dou phi is equal to 0. Now here it is 0 because the potential does not depend on the azimuthal angle phi. Now the electric field of a dipole in terms of r and theta, we will get it as p by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube into 2 cos theta r cap plus sin theta theta cap. This is the equation number 1. Now assume that vector r lies in xy plane. So vector r is equal to yj cap plus zk cap. From this picture we can see it. So vector r lies in the yz plane, so we can write vector r as yj cap plus zk cap. This is equal to r sin theta j cap plus r cos theta k cap. So from that we can calculate the unit vector r cap is equal to sin theta j cap plus cos theta k cap. Now theta cap is actually equal to dr cap by d theta, which is equal to cos theta j cap minus sin theta k cap. Now we have to substitute the equations of r cap and theta cap in equation number 1. Now when you substitute the values of r cap and theta cap in equation 1, we will get electric field of the dipole is equal to p by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube 2 cos theta times sin theta j cap plus cos theta k cap plus sin theta cos theta j cap minus sin theta k cap. Now we can write this as p by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube into 2 cos theta sin theta j cap, opening the brackets, okay, plus 2 cos square theta k cap plus sin theta cos theta j cap minus sin square theta k cap. Now add these two terms, 2 cos theta sin theta j cap plus sin theta cos theta j cap. You will get it as 3 cos theta sin theta j cap. Now write this sin square theta k cap as 1 minus cos square theta k cap. So you will get it as when you multiply the minus, it will become minus 1 plus cos square theta k cap, and group it with 2 cos square theta k cap. So this will become p by 4 pi epsilon 0 3 cos theta sin theta j cap plus 3 cos square theta minus 1 k cap. Now this can be written as p by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube, taking 3 cos theta common from the first two terms, you will get it as 3 cos theta inside the brackets sin theta j cap plus cos theta k cap minus k cap. Okay. Now in the next step you have to multiply and divide by r square. So we will get the electric field as P divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r raised to 5 into 3r square cos theta into sin theta j cap plus cos theta k cap minus k cap r square. Now taking this P inside the brackets, we will get it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r raised to 5 into 3 pr square cos theta sin theta j cap plus cos theta k cap minus p k vector r square. Now keep one r here and take the other r inside this brackets. So we can this term this side will become p vector dot r vector in the next step, and inside the brackets here it will be r sin theta j cap plus r cos theta k cap. Now here p k cap here will be in the next step it will become p vector. So this equation is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r raised to 5 into 3 p vector dot r vector into r sin theta j cap plus r cos theta k cap minus p vector r square. Now in the next step we can write this r sin theta j cap plus r cos theta k cap as vector r here. And here the equation will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r raised to 5 into 3 p vector dot r vector minus p vector r square. Now r vector can be written as r times r cap. Now this equation will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube into 3 p vector dot r cap times r cap minus p vector. So this was the equation for electric field of a dipole. Thank you.